How to fix Play Store slow download. In this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. First, you have to open the settings of your phone and then go directly to apps option. Here you have to search only for Google Play Store. Open on Google Play Store when you found it, then go to storage. Here go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and now go back and click on first stop and click OK. And what's next? You have to go to notifications and you have to allow it if it's not allowed. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in other videos.